Hey, what is up? It's your girl Birah, aka Birah on a budget, okay? Hey, what is up? It's your girl Birah, aka Birah on a budget. Good morning, sunshine. Hey sis, how you doing? I'm doing good, thank you for asking. Okay. Anyways, so hey, what is up? It's your girl Birah, aka Birah on a budget. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am. How you doing? Anyways, welcome back to another Birah on a budget, where we talk about fashion, beauty, fashion, and personal development. Okay, come get your slay and come get your life right. Period, sis. Anyways, let me so in today's video we're doing a skincare routine. Yes, that's what it's called, sis. It's called a skincare routine. Okay. And while I'm getting my skincare products together, period. In today's video, we're gonna do a skincare routine, okay? The first step to my skincare routine, and this is for dry skin, the sensitive skins, because that's the skin that I have. You know, a little, let me see if I can get it close up, and you see it's textured, and I don't know if you can see, but you see them bumpy bumps? You see them bumpy bumps? Yeah. Yeah, sis. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Yes, ma'am. All right. So the first thing I do in every one of my routines is I wash my hands. Okay? Because you don't want to wash your face and your hands are dirty. It defeats the purpose, sis. Okay? So let's go ahead and wash our hands. We're going to use some good soap. Okay? Good soap. Go ahead. Lather it up. Lather it up. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Don't look at my edges. I see you looking. I ain't ready yet. I ain't ready yet. So boom. So what? Warm water on my face like this, and I'm gonna just pat it in there a little bit. Make sure it's wet. All right. So boom. Then I'm gonna wet my little brush head. Okay. Boom. Then time to cleanse. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my First Aid Beauty. This is, let me see, can you see? Can you read it? Let's see if it'll focus. Can you focus on her? Camera, can you focus? Hold on, let me get out of there. Focus. What the heck? Right there, right there, right there, right. All right, y'all, I give up. Hopefully you can see that. So I'm using this. It's a Pure Skin Face Cleanser with Fab Antioxidant Booster. It removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime. And it is safe for sensitive skin. So that's what we're using. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit on my brush head, like this, like so, like that, like this. Okay, I probably put too much, but you know, can't be too clean. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. Usually I begin with my music, but yeah. Woo! This feels so good. Ooh, I got my hair. This feels so good. Oh, yay. Shape of the baby. Mommy, now your pillow. Alright, now that you look like a crackhead, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off with cold water. Okay, and I'm not gonna make it too cold because I don't like the cold like that. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. So I'll be back. My face will be wet. Okay, I hope it's all off. Is it off? Please tell me if it's off. You know what? I'm gonna just dry it anyway. So I'm gonna dry it with this paper towel, and I'm just gonna pat it with my face. And I'm using a paper towel because I don't want any dirt or, you know, anything that could be like on a towel or something to transfer onto my face. So I'm just using a clean paper towel, whatever, and just drying my face off. Woo! And look at that. You see her? Ooh, yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. All right, now that we're all refreshed, now I'm gonna go in with my Boom. This is my The Ordinary, and let me tell you, it does nothing but extraordinary things for my skin. But this is the Hyaluronic, how you say that? Hyaluronic acid. I don't know. Hyaluronic acid, okay? 2%. Get it at your local Ulta or wherever else they sell it. Boom. This is what I use. Let me see if I can get her to, what do you call it? Boom. Period. Period, poo. Home. Period, poo. Alright. So it's a little droplet or whatever. And so I just, you know, pick up a little bit or whatever. And then I place it on my forehead like this. Let it drip. And I pour it here. And I pour here and here on my chin. That's what I do. Why I do it? To put it on my face. Duh. Okay. So I'm just going to make sure I get my nose, especially because that's where I get the most dry spots. So I'm making sure I massage it in my nose and down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my entire face. Hi, beautiful. Hi, gorgeous. Well, I'm talking to myself, but I'm talking to you too, gorgeous. But, ooh, get into the skin. Get into the skin. Oh. I don't put it on my eyes. I don't put it on my eyes because, you know, usually I put my makeup on my eyes and I don't want it to cross-contaminate. Not cross-contaminate, but actually, I've never tried putting it on my eyes and then doing my makeup. I might try it one day. We'll see. All right. Usually, I put my toner on. This is the toner I use, Witch Hazel. And this is Dickinsons Original Witch Hazel. That's what I use. And I'll usually take a little cotton pad or whatever from the Walmart, dollar store. It don't matter. It's, you know, you just get a cotton pad like this. Okay? Boom. And then you put a little bit on the toner. So after I wash my face, right? After I wash my face, I go ahead and pour this toner on here. You know, and then I put it on my face right after I wash it. Right after I wash it, right? Boom. That's the step I missed. Maybe I'll redo it. I don't want to redo it. I probably won't redo it. So, I usually put toner on after I wash my face. But like a crazy person, I put this stuff. I'm guessing it's like serum or whatever. I put this on my face before I did the toner. I mean, after I did the toner. So yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and finish this up because my camera's dying and I don't have a camera battery. So then, got my little Cetaphil, you know. And I'm just going to use this for light hydration throughout my day, okay? And I'm just going to put it on there like this. Like that. Boom, boom, boom. I'm going to speed this up for my camera cut off on me. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, boom, boom. And then I'm going to go ahead and massage it in. Start from my nose. Or over. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh. And this is just going to be on super speed because my camera's going to die on me. Alright. So once I get this all worked in, I'm done. Okay? Skin moisturized. Skin on fleek. 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom. Okay? Let me pose a little bit. Alright, so boom, boom, face. Alright. Alright. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like, comment, and comment what videos you want to see me do next. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Come back, sis. Come back for more, okay? Okay. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace. My camera's dying. Yay!